Hey there, artsy friends! I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, I'm Erica, a traditional media illustrator, art blogger, and teaching artist that really loves helping and encouraging other artists to keep on in their artistic journeys. I have a website/blog in which you can learn more about what I do and get a lot of helpful information as well as free resources that I'm constantly putting out for you guys that will help you move forward in your path. I'll make sure to leave a link to my website in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Today's video is going to be a time-lapse of the process that I went through in order to create a watercolor illustration of a blue and green bird. And this is actually one of the watercolor illustrations that will be included in the April calendar that I'm about to send out to all of my wonderful and amazing newsletter subscribers. So if you like it, consider hopping on over to my website and becoming part of my insider group. And talking about my wonderful newsletter subscribers, I really want to give a huge shout out to Edie Reed, who I've had the pleasure of getting to know for the last few months and who participated in the Watercolor Landscapes for Beginners challenge that took place throughout the last month. Edie, you are amazing. Keep on doing what you're doing, and I am so looking forward to seeing more of your work in the future. Please stay in touch. I'm gonna leave you now to enjoy this watercolor time-lapse, and in the future I'll make sure to create a step-by-step tutorial of the process that I go through when painting animals. Make sure to stay tuned to my channel and also consider adding me on social media. I'm gonna be leaving all of my links down below in the description box because I'm about to leave to Toronto in a couple of days and I'm taking a few of my art supplies with me in order to make sure that I am staying creative throughout my trip, and I am sharing all of that with you guys. And talking about social media, I actually have a question for you guys. Which social media channel do you think you get most of your inspiration, motivation, and art resources from? Is it Pinterest? Is it Twitter? Is it Instagram? Where is it for you? I'd love to know. Please do leave a comment in the comment section below answering that question. Alright, my friends, that is gonna do it for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click on that little bell so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and talk to you next week. Bye!